Hey there, welcome back to the Pleasure Academy. Today, we're discussing an important and often misunderstood topic, how to create a strong emotional and physical connection in your relationship, one that naturally fosters intimacy and desire. This isn't about quick tricks or manipulation. It's about building a meaningful connection that both partners cherish. Let's get into it. Segment 1. Building emotional intimacy. True intimacy starts with emotional closeness. Women, like anyone else, value feeling seen, heard, and respected. Here's how you can nurture that. 1. Listen with intent. When she shares her thoughts or feelings, give her your full attention. Put distractions aside and focus on what she's saying. Repeat or paraphrase key points to show you're truly engaged. 2. Express gratitude. Small, heartfelt acknowledgments of the things she does can go a long way. A simple "I appreciate how much you care about specific thing" can deepen your bond. 3. Show vulnerability. Share your own feelings and experiences. Emotional intimacy thrives on mutual openness. When emotional intimacy is prioritized, it creates a strong foundation for a deeper connection. Segment 2. Establishing trust and safety. Without trust, there can be no meaningful intimacy. Creating an environment of trust and safety is essential. Here's how to do it. 1. Keep your word. Consistency matters. Following through on commitments, big or small, shows you're reliable. 2. Respect her boundaries. Always ensure that she's comfortable with the pace and direction of your relationship. Consent and comfort are paramount. 3. Be her cheerleader. Encourage her passions and celebrate her successes. Support builds trust and mutual respect. When a woman feels safe and valued, it paves the way for a deeper connection, both emotionally and physically. Segment 3. Creating romantic and playful moments. Romance isn't about flashy gestures. It's about thoughtfulness and intention. Here are some ideas to spark that romantic connection. 1. Plan thoughtful surprises. It could be as simple as her favorite meal or as elaborate as a planned getaway. Thoughtfulness shows you care. 2. Compliment her sincerely. Let her know what you genuinely admire about her kindness, creativity, or resilience. Specificity makes compliments more impactful. 3. Physical affection matters. Simple touches, like holding hands, a warm embrace, or a gentle kiss, can be powerful in fostering connection. Romance is about showing that you value her not just as a partner, but as a person. Segment 4. Fostering mutual desire through shared activities. Shared experiences are a fun and effective way to build connection and mutual desire. Try these ideas. 1. Learn something new together. Whether it's a cooking class, a dance lesson, or even a new hobby, exploring something new can bring excitement and joy to your relationship. 2. Take breaks together. Plan moments of relaxation, like a spa day or a quiet evening stargazing. 3. Celebrate small wins. Share achievements, no matter how minor, and celebrate them together. These shared experiences create lasting memories and build the kind of connection that fosters deeper intimacy. Segment 5. Physical intimacy and connection. Physical intimacy is a natural extension of emotional and romantic connection. Here are some guiding principles to ensure it's a positive experience for both. 1. Communicate openly. Talk about what makes both of you feel comfortable and desired. Honesty strengthens intimacy. 2. Be present. Focus on the moment and your partner. Intimacy is about connection, not performance. 3. Check in regularly. Consent isn't a one-time thing. Continuously ensure that both of you feel comfortable and enthusiastic. When intimacy is built on mutual respect and understanding, it becomes an enriching and joyful part of your relationship. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the most important thing is to prioritize respect, communication, and connection in your relationship. Intimacy isn't just about the physical, it's about cherishing and uplifting each other. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on building strong, healthy relationships. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and nurture those connections.